Okay, now let's move towards another question of NSEM paper of theory of computation. Question number 6. Question number 6 is give two example of each of the following: decision table, optimization problem, undecidability, P and NP, NP and NPC, and recursive languages. So a decision problem example one is halting problem. A halting problem is when a given is given as a program and its input decide whether the problem will eventually halt or run independently. Example number 2 is it is using traveling salesman problem in which we are given a list of cities and the distance between each pair of cities, and we have to find the shortest possible route that visit each city exactly once and returns to the original city. So these were the two examples for decision problem in which we use decision problem. Now let's see the examples of optimization problem. So example one is knapsack problem, which is based on greedy algorithm in which we were given a set of item which is associated with its weight and value, and we have to determine the subset of item to include it in knapsack, that is a bag, so that the total weight is less than or equal to the given limit and the total value is maximized. So our weight should be as minimum as possible and our value should be as maximized as possible. Example number 2, maximum flow problem, in which we are given a network with capacities on its edge. We have to find the maximum amount of flow that can be sent from a specific source to specific sink. Undecidability. Its example is post correspondence problem. What is post correspondence problem? In which we are given a set of dominoes with string written on each end, and we have to determine whether there exists a sequence of these dominoes that can be arranged such that the string on the top and bottom matches when graded in the order. And example 2 is in the Chedang's problem, in decision problem, it is determined whether a given statement is in first order logic or determine whether a given statement in first order logic is eventually universally valid or not. This was famously proven by undecidable by Gödel and Turing. Uh, P and NP. Example number 1 is primality testing. Given what is primality testing, in which we are given a number and we have to determine whether it is a prime number or not. In integer factorization, NP. In this we are given a number and we have to find its prime factor. Fifth is NP and NPC. Example 1 is Boolean satisfiability, in which we are given a Boolean formula and we have to determine if there is an assignment of truth value to its variable that makes the formula true. Example 2, subset sum problem, in which we are given a set of integer and target value and we have to determine whether there is a subset of integer that sums up to target value. Recursive language. Its example is the set of all palindrome over the alphabet 01 and the set of all even length string over the alphabet AB. Thank you.